Good afternoon to our distinguished panel, Mr. Clint Acuna, MAED, Sir Christian J. Partin, MAED, Sir Fernando Lagradilla, MIM, to our beautiful advisor, Ma'am Christine Joy F. Illustre. I am John Rob Panisales, a Bachelor of Physical Education. I am your researcher. Today, I will be representing to you my study entitled Factors that Affect the Sports Training Program of Ramon Magsaysay Memorial Colleges. So, my research objectives. This study examined the factors that affects the sports training program of Ramon Magsaysay Memorial Colleges, especially within affects the sports training program and its impact on education methods and student outcomes, focusing on to determine the factors that affects the sport training program of RMMCMI to draw implication based on the result. So my for my result, this chapter overcomes the presentation of data gathered from the questionnaires. It covers the analysis and interpretation of data from respondents' responses. Those data will analyze, discuss, and analyze according the responses and the researchers' basis of interception to emphasize the final study. Discussion of the topics was engaged in following subheadings: factors that affects the sports training program of varsities students of RMCMI. So, Table 1. Factors that affects the sport training program. Observe for the statements. I find mental preparation training effective and I rate the quality of training sessions as excellent. The scores are interpreted as strongly agree. On the other hand, this statement is received regular feedbacks. Coaches received the lowest mean score of 2.32, which interpreted as disagree. Overall, the average mean score of the factors influencing the sports training program at Ramon Magsaysay Memorial College, Marbel Incorporated was 3.19, interpreted as agree. For my conclusion, this study aimed to identify the factors that affects the sport training program at Ramon Magsaysay Memorial Colleges, Marbel Incorporated, and draw implication to improve the training experience of varsity athletes. Conducted from December 13, 2024. This research employed descriptive design to gather insight from student athletes regarding various aspects of the training program, such as the quality of training sessions, mental preparation, and communication with coaches. The study underscores the importance of a well-structured and sportive training program that balances athlete development with the overall well-being of students athletes, enhancing communication between coaches and athletes, providing consistent feedback, and fostering a holistic training environment are crucial for creating a more effective sports program. In conclusion, addressing the identified factors will not only improve the sports training program but also contribute the academic and personal growth of varsity athletes at RMMCMI. Through the through these efforts, the institution can ensure that its athletes are well equipped for both their sports careers and future endeavors. For my recommendation, Given the findings and conclusion of the study, the following recommendations are formulated for administration, students, researchers, and future researchers. For administration, improve communication. The administration should work to improve communication between coaches, athletes, and academic staff to ensure athletes receive regular and helpful feedback. Support academic success. Provide more academic support for athletes, such as tutoring or flexible schedules to help them balance sports and studies. For students, develop time management skills. Athletes should focus on improving their time management to better balance their academic and athletic responsibilities. Engage in feedback. Students should actively participate in feedback sessions to share their experiences and concern, helping improve the training program. For researchers, explore the aspect of athlete development. Researchers should look into other factors that affects athletes, such as mental health and emotional challenges. Expand the study. Future research should involve a larger group of athletes from different schools or sports to compare experiences and outcomes. For future researchers, study long-term effects. Future research could focus on the long-term impacts of sports training on athletes, academic success, and future careers. Focus on athlete well-being. Researchers should look into how athletes' physical, mental, and emotional health affects their overall performance and success. Thank you for listening. I am now ready for your suggestion and recommendation.